Tata Institute of Social Sciences has started the online registrations for TISSNET 2023 exam. Candidates can fill the online application form till January 15, 2023. Shiksha here brings you the detailed step-by-step guide on how to fill the TISSNET application form. Visit the official website of Tata Institute of Social Sciences, that is tiss.edu, to begin with the registration process. If candidate is a new user, they must create the login credentials by entering their personal details, enter the valid email ID and other details to register. Candidates will receive the TISS admission registration link on the registered email address. Click on the link provided to create the username and password. After validating the email address, now log in with the credentials created and begin with filling the application form. TISSNET application form is a 5-step process. First step is to fill the basic details, in which candidates will have to enter their personal details, category details, center preference and contact details. After each step, candidates must ensure to click on the tab Save to proceed to the next step. In the second step, candidates will have to enter their academic details, that is educational details, bachelor's degree details, master degree details. In the following step, candidates have to upload the documents in prescribed size and format. Check the table to know the documents to be uploaded along with their size and format. In the second last step, candidates must select the program or programs they want to apply for. Applicants must note that they can apply for maximum 3 programs. After applying for the program, preview the details entered in the application form. Now entering in the last step of the application process, wherein candidates will have to pay the TISSNET application fee. Application fee can be paid in either of the 2 modes, that is online or in cash. After paying the application fee, candidates must ensure to download the receipt for future reference.